Hi, today's new arrival is the 2021 70 plate Ford Transit Custom. It's the 340 short wheelbase, up and over rear tailgate. Let's show you some in-house enhancements we've done to the van. We've got the Ford Raptor Grille, we've got the black matte stripes and the black sports trim. So we get a lovely spec on these vans. It's the 340, carries more weight, all PLYLINED in the back, brand new fresh PLYLINED. We've got aircon, we've got the heated seats, DAB digital radio, your electric mirrors and windows. All of our vehicles, you can get a great finance deal on all of them, zero deposit. We offer 3 months warranty with the RAC on all of our vans minimum. Please contact Nick or Chris. Thanks for watching.